Welcome back to Sharodes. Happy Labor Day weekend. Well, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. You know, there are a lot of things that you could do during the Labor Day weekend. You could go to the movies, eat at a fancy restaurant, take a short vacation, or if you live in Washington like me, go to the Washington State Fair. You know what else you could do this weekend? Go shopping. And that's what I did too. I got myself a Michael Kors bag. They are now having a 70% off Labor Day weekend sale. So whether you go in store or do it online, you are going to get a pretty good deal. So now I bet you guys are wondering what's inside this box. So let me show you guys. First of all, what a beautiful box, nicely wrapped and everything. And so we're gonna pull the ribbon right here. And we are gonna open the box. Oh wow, it opens this way. Any guesses yet? So I got the medium size Lita bag. It is Merlot, and it has two tones, and of course it has the Michael Kors logo on it, and it is a crossbody bag. So we are going to take out these. We're going to take this thing out and we're going to put it on. And here it is. Hook it right there and hook it right here. And we're going to take this thing off too, so to show its full beauty, right? And we're going to show you the compartments first of all. 1, 2, and then it has another compartment right here. 3, and 4 right there. And so I know this bag is considered for fall season, but I am going to show you guys on the next video how many ways you could wear this bag, and it's going to be used for all seasons. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and watch out for tomorrow's video when I show you the ways to wear this bag.